Hi everyone, it's Luis again. Listen, today I'm making a video on my orchid unboxing because I got another package. So this came in the mail today and I can't wait to open it. I got this from Norman's Orchids, orchids.com, and I ordered 5 plants. And the reason I chose them, there's different reasons, but the main reasons are one, I like that one's going to have interesting looking leaves. The other two are going to be fragrant. So I like fragrance. And also the other two, I like them because they're going to be bright, vivid colors. So let's open this up and let's see what I got. I like how it says perishable there. Interesting. So, anyways. Now the reason I made another order is because my orchid room was looking a little bare. Now that I got my greenhouse and I transferred everything outside, especially the highlight plants, now my orchid room is looking a little bare. So, in my opinion, I think I'm becoming a better Phalaenopsis grower. So why not fill this orchid room with more Phalaenopsis? So here's the order. One, two, three, four, five. 5 plants. If you want to look at the names, I'll go individually over them individually, but that's what I ordered. So, let's start off with, I see a root. There's a lot of peanuts in here. I'm gonna make a mess, but here. Oh my God! This thing's in bloom. Wow! Look at this. Isn't this amazing? You know, the reason I bought this was because my mom's favorite color was purple, violet. And here you go, I ordered this because of that. And it should be fragrant too. Oh yes. Now this is Phalaenopsis Leoline Blue Star. Leoline Blue Star, there you go. Awesome. Look at that. Now, I'm seeing something that I'm not liking. What is wrong with this? Okay, now this is a little concerning. I don't know why these leaves look like that. But I'm going to put it aside. It doesn't have a label either. Maybe it's a freebie. I don't know. We'll put it aside. We'll see what's next. Yeah. Ooh. Ha ha ha. Look at this. Now this one is what is referred to as a big lip. Oops. Get out of there. A big lip Phalaenopsis. And as you can see, the lip has been flattened, so it almost mimics the other 2 petals. and it's a pure white, so I love that. That's the reason why I got this one. And this one is Phalaenopsis Charming Crystal Water. There you go, Phalaenopsis Charming Crystal Water, Lee. Yeah, Lee. There you go. Isn't that amazing? Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Happy. Another one. Sorry about this. This is, you know, sometimes when your vendor packs everything correctly or very good, it's very difficult to unpack. So this is an example of that. Now this is Phalaenopsis Ya-Yi-Qin Cherry Prince. There you go. And the reason I bought this, see how it's super big leaves? The reason I bought this was because this one has Phalaenopsis gigantea in it, and the flowers are orange reddish in color, and that's a color that I've been wanting in my Phalaenopsis. So this one is that. Here's another one. Ay. Wow, this thing is massive. Look at that. Wow, I can barely fit in the camera. Now this one is Phalaenopsis Ox Black Face. Right there. Ox Black Face. And the reason I got this is because this is a red Phalaenopsis. You know, now the hybridizers are going into all different colors. But, you know, besides your typical pink or fuchsia and the white, a bright red is something that really interests me. So I am looking forward to having this bloom. It's super healthy. I would not be surprised if this blooms this year in the spring. I see something coming out right there. I don't know. I didn't buy this as a blooming or spike. No, it's just mature size. But if it blooms for me this year, that would be amazing. So, I think that's it. So, okay, well, I don't see another label. That's it. I made a mess. But I don't see a label for this. I'm assuming this is the Sanderiana. I mean the Philippinense. I'm sorry, the Philippinense. I bought it because of the coloring on the leaves. So we'll have to see. I might have to give them a call or an email, see what's up with what happened to my label. So this is my video on my unboxing. So hope you enjoyed it. And of course, if they bloom, I will make a video so you guys can watch it. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.